me to do commentary?
You want to?
And here's Lola Jendal.
Is it Jendal?
No, it's Kendall. Oh. We like to make fun of her. Riding Minglewood's Contestress. Galloping past the turn. It appears that she is changing direction. Now she is going to gallop on the left lane. Here she comes thundering down the long side. Looking a little sad. Cheer up, Lila.
Why is she sad?
Oh, I don't like and off she goes. Dun, dun, dun.
I thought she was going to jump there. I thought she was...
I think she was looking at the bottom.
Can't believe I missed Skybreaker. Very bummed.
I just did commentary for you.
What?
I did some commentary.
Oh, thank you.
I said you look sad. Look happier. Don't stick your tongue out. She does that a lot.
She sticks her tongue out? Did she get points off in the hunter world for that?
She doesn't do the hunter world. Yeah, she might.
Isn't this like a hunter derby?
Jumper derby.
Hunter derby?
But they are kind of judging you on your style. And I think she's about to go round to the vertical. Yes, she is presenting. And she's cleared it.